What's up guys? How are you? We are listing top 5 best mini heat press machines for 2025 in this video. We won't talk about prices here, but you can find links in the description for more info and deals. We update those links to show the best prices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great videos. Let's get started. Number 5. Tront Heat Press Mini Heat Press Machine. The Tront Heat Press Mini is a small and handy tool for heat transfer projects. It's perfect for working on t-shirts, hats, or small crafts. Its mint color and lightweight, only 15.52 ounces, make it easy to carry and use anywhere. If you don't want to use a large heat press, this mini version is a great choice. This mini heat press has 3 heat settings. You can choose from low, 284 degrees Fahrenheit, medium, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, or high, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, with a simple slide of the button. These settings give you control for different materials and project types, like HTV, heat transfer vinyl, or sublimation. One of the best things about this press is how fast it heats up. It warms up quicker than many other brands, saving you time. The handle is easy to grip and helps protect your hands while pressing. It's safe to use, even if you're new to crafting. The press comes with a heat-safe base and a clear user manual. It's small enough to fit in a bag, so you can take it to craft fairs or friends' houses. It's great for on-the-go projects or quick tasks at home. Tront also offers strong customer service. If you have any problems, they promise to help you right away. They aim to make sure every customer is happy with their purchase. If you're looking for a simple, small, and powerful heat press, this one is a smart pick. It's easy to use, heats up fast, and travels well. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the Tront Mini Heat Press makes crafting easier and more fun. Number 4. Cricut EasyPress 2 Heat Press Machine. The Cricut EasyPress 2 is a smart heat press machine. It gives you pro-level results without the stress. It works like an iron but heats more evenly and quickly. You can use it to make t-shirts, bags, pillows, aprons, and more. This model has a 12x 10-inch heat plate. It's big enough for most projects. The plate heats up in under 2 minutes. The surface is ceramic coated, which helps spread heat evenly. You can set the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 205 degrees Celsius. There's also a timer to help you press for just the right amount of time. Once it beeps, your project is done. No need to guess. Safety is built in. The insulated base keeps your table safe. It also turns off by itself after a while. That way, you don't have to worry if you forget to unplug it. The EasyPress 2 is lightweight and easy to store. It weighs just over 6 grams, likely a typo, should be pounds. It fits well in any craft room or closet. You can use it with iron-on vinyl, infusible ink, and sublimation materials. It works well with all major brands. It also pairs perfectly with Cricut cutting machines. This product meets safety rules set by trusted groups like UL, CSA, and Intertech. It's designed and tested in the USA. Cricut offers great customer support by phone or chat. In short, the Cricut EasyPress 2 is a great tool for DIY lovers. It gives fast, safe, and lasting results with little effort. Whether you're new or experienced, this machine makes every project easier. Number 3. Honasan Mini Craft Iron Mini Heat Press. The Honasan Mini Craft Iron is a small, pink iron made for fun craft projects. It's great for people who love to make things by hand. You can use it on shoes, t-shirts, patches, and more. This tiny iron is perfect for heat transfer vinyl and fuse beads. The iron is easy to carry. It measures about 4.25 by 2.48 by 2.6 inches. It fits in your hand and works well in tight spots. You can store it in a drawer or take it with you. It comes in a nice box, which also makes it a great gift. This iron is easy to use. Just plug it in, and it heats up in 2 to 3 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, it reaches around 170 degrees Celsius. It stays hot while you work. Once you are done, wait for it to cool before putting it away. The cord is about 39 inches long. It's very useful for small tasks. You can press patches, fix vinyl, or add sparkle with tiny gems. It works on many fabrics like wool, silk, linen, and velvet. If you like making clothes or crafts, this tool will help you a lot. The Honasan Mini Heat Press is a smart choice for crafters and hobby lovers. It's simple, light, and helpful. Just plug it in, turn it on, and start your project. Don't forget to let it cool before storing it safely. Tip: be sure to check the size before you buy. It's small on purpose, for little jobs, not big ones. Whether you're fixing up a shirt or adding a patch to your shoes, this mini iron makes it quick and fun. Number 2. Caligy Mini Heat Press Machine. The Caligy Mini Heat Press is a small and easy-to-use machine. It's great for people who love to make custom t-shirts, hats, pillows, and more. This tool works well on small or tricky surfaces. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and store. This heat press is simple to use. It has only one button. Press once to raise the heat, twice to lower it, and 3 times to change the temperature unit. You can pick between Celsius, degrees Celsius, or Fahrenheit, degrees Fahrenheit, depending on what you like. The Caligy Heat Press has 3 temperature levels. Low heat is 284 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Celsius, medium is 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, and high is 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. It heats up fast, reaching 284 degrees Fahrenheit in about 3 minutes. Changing between levels takes under a minute. For safety, it turns off by itself after 15 minutes if you don't use it. It also comes with an insulated base, so you don't burn your hands or table. The real-time temperature shows on a clear LED display, so you always know how hot it is. The handle is made for comfort. You can hold and press it without hurting your hand. It's light too, just 0.5 kilograms, so you can move it easily. The power cord can be removed, making it perfect for travel. The Caligy Mini Heat Press works on many items. Use it on shirts, hats, socks, bags, and even face masks. It's a great gift for friends or family who love DIY projects. In short, this mini press is a smart choice. It's safe, easy to use, heats fast, and works on many crafts. Whether you're new to heat pressing or a pro, this tool makes it fun and simple. Number 1. Cricut EasyPress Mini Heat Press. The Cricut EasyPress Mini is a tiny but powerful heat press. It's made for small, tricky items like shoes, hats, and stuffed animals. Its small size makes it easy to move around tight spots. You can press corners, seams, and curves with ease. This heat press has 3 heat settings. You can use it for iron-on vinyl, HTV, infusible ink, and sublimation. The ceramic-coated plate spreads heat evenly, so your designs look clean and smooth. The tip lets you press with precision. The EasyPress Mini is light and easy to hold. It weighs only 1.5 pounds and comes with a safety base. It also has an auto-off feature for peace of mind. After 10 minutes of no use, it shuts off on its own. You can use it with many brands of heat transfer materials. It also pairs well with Cricut cutting machines. Whether you're sewing, quilting, or crafting, this mini press is a helpful tool. Safety matters too. Cricut products meet top safety standards like UL and CSA. They are tested in trusted labs and made with care in the USA. Plus, customer support is available if you need help. If you love detail and small projects, the Cricut EasyPress Mini is for you. It's compact, simple to use, and gives great results every time.